Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's continue about the handlers. So first we will see the use of listen statement. Okay, so using the listen keyword, we can group handlers and we can call them using a single notify statement. So let's see some example for that. Okay, so this is going to be using handlers with the listen keyword, and I'm going to use the server C for this playbook and the task install the latest version of Nginx. Actually, I'm not going to install the latest version, so I'm just using some command module here to echo some values. This task install the latest version of packages. Okay, and here I'm going to use the notify section. Okay, so here I'll just mention only the restart services. Restart services. Okay, next let's define the handlers. You need to make sure the indentation, otherwise you will get the error while running the playbook. And here let's put some name. Here I'm going to restart auto FS service, and the service name will be auto FS, and the state restarted. So here you need to specify the listen keyword with the restart services. Okay, and next second handlers, verify the or syslog service. Okay, the service name will be or syslog, and the state restarted. Okay, here put the listen keyword, restart services. Okay, let me save and exit. Okay, let me get out the playbook. So here, instead of specifying each handler's name under the notify section, I'm just grouped them using the listen keyword here, and you need to put that for every handlers that you are running. So let me execute this playbook. Okay, there seems to be an error in the playbook. Okay, so here it's complaining about name, verify the rsyslog service line. So let me go into that. Okay, so I just removed it. Let me try to execute it. Okay, let me check the host. .acg.com. Okay, so here we can see that it has changed the state because we used the command module. So that triggered the handlers for restart AutoFS and verify the syslog services. Okay, so next we'll see determine when handlers can run. Basically, we know handlers run at the end of the play only once all the regular tasks have been executed. But in case if we wanted to run the handlers before the end of the play or in between any of the other tasks, then we have to add a meta task to flash them using the meta module. So let's see some example for that. Okay, let me create a sample playbook for this. Creating the new one. Okay, so here you can give any name. I'm just giving control when handlers run. Okay, and host, I can use the serverc.acg.com and task. Here, going to add EPEL repository. Okay, so we'll be using the M module and the name going to be EPEL release state latest. Next we'll see another task for install Nginx web server and use the M module. So here mention the name of the Nginx service, the package name and the state latest. Okay, so here I'm going to use the notify section. Start Nginx and then I'm going to use the meta here to flash the handlers. Flash handlers. Use the keyword meta flash handlers. And so here I have just called the handler, and after that I'm going to use another task for installing. So let me install some new package. So I'm just going to use the tree. Okay, using yum module and name tree state latest. Okay, and then using the handlers name. So we have given the start Nginx. So let me put the name here, start Nginx. service. Service name will be Nginx and state started. Okay. So by default, the handlers will execute the handlers at the end of the play once it run all the tasks in the playbook. But in this playbook, we are going to invoke the handlers in between the play, where after installing the Nginx web server, it will invoke the handler to start the service, and then we are installing the tree using the another task. So let me execute this playbook. Okay, let's see some error. Okay, so here we see some space indentation problem. Okay, let me execute again. Okay, host pattern doesn't match. Server c.acg.com. Okay, so the playbook has been completed. As you can see, it is executing the task, adding EPEL repository, and then it is installing the Nginx web server in this task, and then it's invoking the handler for starting the Nginx service, and then it goes to the another task for installing the tree package. Okay, so since we have used the meta, so we used the meta flash handlers section that triggers the start nginx handler to execute at that point in the play, and after that the remaining tasks follow the installation. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.